Hey friends, it's Daisy here, and today we're making the very hungry caterpillar party favors. I'm going to show you how you can easily create personalized party favors with just these four printables: chip bags, juice pouch labels, treat bag toppers, and gift tags. They're super fun, versatile, and most importantly, it takes only minutes to put together. You can get this pack consisting of all four items for only $3 if you use a special promo code at the end of this video. Are you ready? Now let's get started. Now first up, Canva. Click the text you want to edit. For the chip bag, I'm calling mine the Very Hungry Caterpillar Snack Attack. You could also do Munch Mix or Chomp Chips, whatever fits your party vibes. Add your child's name, change the font colors or size. And once you're happy, click the share button on the top right, hit PDF print, then download. I printed my chip bags on regular A4 paper. 8.5 by 11 inches works perfectly too. Super quick and professional looking. To assemble the chip bags, flip the printed paper over to the blank side. Run double-sided tape along all four edges, then carefully peel off the backing. Fold the paper in half and gently seal the bottom to create your bag. Now add your treats. I'm popping in a small pack of caramel corn and some Ribena gummies. Once it's full, gently seal the top. And there you have it. Look how professional this looks. No one would have even guessed that it started with just plain paper. Next, we have this personalized Very Hungry Caterpillar juice pouch labels. I designed two beautiful templates, one for each side of the pouch. Personalize them however you like in Canva. Print them on sticker sheets, then simply peel and paste straight onto regular juice pouches like Capri or Ribena. Smooth it down and it hugs the pouch perfectly. Done in seconds. Then we have the Very Hungry Caterpillar treat bag toppers. These are the most versatile favor ever. You can fill them up with almost any snacks. I'm using sandwich-sized Ziploc bags. Fill them up with your goodies so they look nice and full. Fold the topper in half. Add double-sided tape to both sides of the bag near the top. Slide the folded paper over the top like a little hat and press it down gently to secure. Easy peasy. Look how cute these personalized treat bag toppers are, and kids get so excited because they can see exactly what's inside. These Very Hungry Caterpillar tags pull the entire look together and add that special personal thank you touch. And just like that, in under 10 minutes, you've got the entire set of the Very Hungry Caterpillar party favors that are cute, personalized, and perfectly on theme. If you like what you see, you can get this Very Hungry Caterpillar printable pack for only $3 using my promo code YTVHC3. The purchase link is in the description down below. Thank you for hanging out with me today. I will see you in the next one. Bye!